Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. Quick and fast. Make we show them Jamaican artists have some love. Make we show them some gratitude. Make we give them some thanks for them selfless act. Cause boy, them really head out down the west and then show the love, then show the support, then give the victims of Hurricane Melissa some help. Boy, a full countryman them, and full countrywoman. So we have to give them some thanks. We have to show them some love. Cause you what? They help the needy in times of need. Boy, I'm not telling a lie. Me never see them so unified. Me never see them so giving. I mean, personally, I have to give a thanks. John, no. Yeah, man. Not only that, you have to big them up before this news becomes all news. Because you know you have 1,010,000 things that happen daily. Make we say artists and entertainers. Because we have couple producers panelists and we have couple promoters panelists. And you know some people get technical and say, they know Ramesh the panelist and them an artist. So we are going to do it that way then. So make we jump into it. First on the list we have Nicki Minaj. No, make we fix that up. First on the list we have superstar Nicki Minaj. Queen of Rap, Queen B. Yeah, man, that sound better. You must have said, then, oh, it's a Jamaican artist and you have Nicki Minaj panelist. Yes, we have Nicki Minaj panelist. She a Trinidadian American, but we have to put her on the Jamaican list. What make? She ever show Jamaica love. She ever hang out with the Jamaican them. Even when she there on TikTok, she hang out with the Jamaican TikTokers them. She ever donate some way, shape, or form. She ever try to talk patois. She ever try, whether I say talk Jamaican. Sometimes I see her on some interview, other parts of the world. And when she attack, she a try to talk patois. She ever big up Jamaican. You know what I mean? So we have to give her some respect for that, man. Cause you want me, you know. Remember, say at one time, you know, the Trinidadian them, you know, get vexed with her, you know. I say, yo, oh, you come from Trinidad and come like you big up Jamaicans more than you do Trinidadians. Yeah, man. So we have to show her back some love, man. We have to give her some love. And me think say she are the only non-Jamaican. We have a team on the ground in a Jamaica with containers and give back and help out the victims of Hurricane Melissa. Yeah, man. I think she's the only non-Jamaican that do that right now. Yeah. So we have to give her some love. So Queen B, Nicki Minaj, big up yourself. Thanks for help out with brother and sister down the west there. Yeah, man. Big up. Queen B, Nicki Minaj. Yeah. Oh, that. Shonda Paul, just give me the light. Hey, Sean Paul, big up yourself. Oh, that. Shaggy, they call me Mr. Boombastic. Hey, Shaggy, big up yourself. Hey Shaggy, side note, quick and fast. What happened to that $100 million there from the Shaggy and Friends fundraiser concert? It's been like what over 5 years now, and we not hear nothing about it. And it was to help out the children hospital. Guess what? Me not say you're guilty, or accused in any way, shape, or form, But we just want to know what I want. Big up Shaggy. How this? All in a prison, me, I make millions. The man who needs no introduction. Vibes Cartel. Adidja Palmer. World Boss. King of Dancehall. Hey, Vibes Cartel, big up yourself. How this? Ashensia. Hey, Shensia, big up yourself. Always giving back to Jamaica. Doing big things overseas. Shensia, big up. Who that? Spice. Another person who needs no introduction. Queen of Dancehall. Hey, Spice, big up yourself. Always giving back to Jamaica. Have your foundation and everything. Hey, Spice, me see you down a West Pan truck with the end. A fling box and a fling bag. A put in a manual work. Hey, Spice, big up yourself. Who that? Conscience. Hey, Conscience and wifey, big up on yourself. We sooner down a Florida there. Put in the work. Big up on yourself. Who that lift up that plane there? Driver, don't stop at all. Hey, Buju Banton, big up yourself. My Darren Vals here. Buju, big up yourself. How that? Massacre, the artist thing in a dancehall right now. JPS cut me light off. Me nah no water in my pipe. Hey, Massacre, big up yourself. How that? Popcorn. Family. Hey, Popcorn, big up yourself. How that? The doctor, Beanie Man, who now let go the king of the dancehall title. Hey, Beanie Man, big up yourself. Who that? Russian, big bad producer. Hey, Russian, big up yourself. How this? 450. One of the artists in the new school. Hey, 450, big up yourself. How that? Nino, big bad promoter. Hey Nino, your wifey put in a whole heap of work. Hey Nino and wifey, big up on yourself. How this? Skeng, Maliket Pop, if you know you know. Hey Skeng, big up yourself. How this? Ramesh, Jack of all trade. The man you have a hand in a heavy business. But me see you put in whole heap of work down the west. So Ramesh, big up yourself. How this? Big bad dancer. Hey Rebel, big up yourself. How that? Agent Sasko, the man who donated behind the scene, but no one show up himself too much. Hey, Agent Sasko, big up yourself. How that? Styler G from out of London, England. Hey, Styler G, we see you up in England, they are putting in the work. Big up yourself. One blood, one blood, one blood. Hey, Junior Reed, big up yourself. How that? Silk Boss. Mankind have no love. Or some mankind. Hey, Silk Boss, big up yourself. Yeah, man, that's a list of some of the artists and entertainers who came out and showed support and help to the victims of Hurricane Melissa down on the west side of the country, them, man. So we just take the time out to show them, give them a little love, show them some gratitude and appreciation. Yeah, man. Just show them some love, man. And as you can tell, I'm pleasantly surprised by the monetary and manual help. Boy, them really show up. So who else would I put on the list? Who you think we forgot? Put in the comment section who we forgot. And here are some of the clips when them did actually dip on the ground and put in the work. Check this out.
Hey everybody, we're here today. We're on our way to Montego Bay to go and help the persons affected by Hurricane Melissa this weekend. We are partnering with Ramesh and Jimmy, and we're just gonna go out and help as many people as we can.
Fighting for all our life. All our choices not right, cause we not perfect, we have a flaws and we not Christ. You can call it sacrifice.
Big up Ramesh and Zimmy, thank you very much because we were catching all this suffer. The house flood out, 6 feet of water, we don't have nothing in our place, we have to dash out every furniture. We have to start all over again.
And my brother shows us how we do it now, watch here, but we still have to survive. JPS just cut the light off. We don't know how to turn on the pipe.
Thank you very much. Big up.
Just to ask me for sure, my
3 days ago, I stood right here in front of this 737 cargo aircraft. And every single day, our team has been working tirelessly to collect donations, fundraise, and get greater support. Thanks to Buju Banton, a legend and an icon, we are creating momentum, but we're getting supplies to the people.
And I'm here today at 7 Air Cargo, along with these lovely gentlemen who have been doing a great work for the island of Jamaica, and I want to say thank you personally. We are going to look at this plane for our humanitarian effort. Take a walk with me.
Tell them we bless, tell them we bless, tell them we bless. Tell them so we still have life, we no stress. God light shine on we, you know what west.
This is a 737-800. Come on. This is how huge the cargo plane is. And this is the baby that's gonna be bringing all the humanitarian stuff down to Jamaica. In a couple of hours, it's gonna be so packed that even a fly can get inside.
Now, thanks to you, thanks to your team, thanks to your network, we're going to have a plane load going down, but we're going to get it to the people.
Just so you get a greater understanding, we're not only packing the interior of this beautiful baby Rosa, we're packing also her stomach. I want to thank you very much for showing Jamaica so much love. Like Bob Marley would say, one love, one heart, one people. Let's get together and make this right.
Eventually they will see who is watching over me.
fiery.
German, with them know about battery and clocks. Can't buy a party if the silver them last. Enough time we hungry but we still a dark class. The struggle is done we in a bar.
You know now.
I know the state you know man. Yo Joshua, you know the know now. Pain and no something we ain't gonna last long. Fight and no something we ain't gonna last long. Struggles are no something we ain't gonna last long. But we have to fight on. It's never over. So man have to focus, cause some so-called friends are focused down. watch you climb up. But mind your time up. Yeah, them a fi watch you climb up. Them sick of we money catch you virus. Them a fi watch you climb up. Yeah, them a fi watch you climb up. Them a fi watch you climb up. Yeah, now prove myself to no boy. God them know me not. Me know them a string and go pop when me a sail the yacht. Me touch the road a with a Glock will look like goalie locks. A regular me used to broke and a fi hold me frost. And really God no boy no this them a fi hold me that. Hustle from in the market me granny show me that. Them used to run me out of house but now me own a lot. When you bless no need for worry. I know say Judge love me. I know say Judge love me. Them a fi watch you climb up. But mind your time up. Yeah, them a fi watch you climb up. Them sick of we money catch you virus. Them a fi watch you climb up. Yeah, them a fi watch you climb up. Them a fi watch you climb up. Yeah, them a fi watch you climb up.
Thank you. Okay, thank you guys.
Popcorn.
When I eat that.
Melissa. As you know, I have my foundation called the Grace Hamilton Foundation, always giving back. This time, what I need is for you guys, if you have been affected, is to send an email with the damages, what it is that you really need, because we know that people have been affected in different ways. I'm calling for people also, if you want to help, to reach out. The email is gracehamiltonfoundation@gmail.com. A lot of my friends have been calling me, asking me how they can help. So I will be posting the account for the foundation so that you can make a donation if you want to. But I am going to start by doing my part, and I'm going to Jamaica, and my aim is to go into these communities and to help to build back all of the damages, do what I can do. So here's what I also need. If you're a carpenter, if you're a truck driver, I also need simple as manpower to help to go into this community, because I believe that together we can build this back stronger. So if you know that you can play a part, the email is gracehamiltonfoundation@gmail.com. Send us an email whether you need help or you want to help. I'll be checking the emails and I'll be posting the account for you to help if you want to, because I believe that we're going to build back stronger. So Jamaican, over yourself, the Queen is on our way home. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to get there to play my part and do what I can do. I'll be putting the post.
My Jamaican people, please don't worry yourself. I have no doubt that we are going to be building back stronger than ever, because we are one of the strongest set of people in the entire world. People have died, people have nowhere to live, some people have nothing to eat, no clothes to wear, no electricity, and I have a contractual agreement that I have to fulfill in Dubai this week. But what people know, you can always count on me for play my part immediately after. Everybody from overseas, if you know you got Jamaica, go vacation and take a raft picture, put on a dance hall or a reggae song in your yard for turn up the vibes, make sure say you go and donate now to keep the culture alive. This is not a joke thing. Sincerely, a Jamaican.
Just landed in Jamaica and we offload everything that came out of just the cabin itself. Over there you can see we're offloading everything from under the plane. These wonderful guys from Jamaica, all of these guys here who work here, help us to take this off, and we're heading straight to St. Elizabeth after this. So Dan the man made it happen. We all coming here.
No.
And we all here. All right?
We just the support.
Right there, right? Bless you. Good.
We shall rise again.
We shall rise and spread our wings once again.
We shall rise again.
With the help from our brothers and our friends.
We shall rise again.
We've done it before, now we can do it once again.
We shall rise again.
Take a bit of help from our family and friends.
A moment of change and now we're spinning.
People who are waiting on the food with
And the supplies, we're getting it to you. Hang tight, stay tough.
As soon as this happened, we knew we had to jump to action. We knew that the best people to get things to actual people at the lowest cost of administration is Food for the Poor. Shampa Foundation always works with Food for the Poor. When Jamaica needs help, we jump to action. We're out here packing things up with our family, our friends, our co-workers. Maximum speed that these packages can get to people is the main thing right now.
Food for the Poor Jamaica will get the necessities to the people who need it the most. Some of us here fail pack out and get people aware of what's going on.
I'm here today because I think it's really important. I brought my kids, I brought my nieces to show them that, you know, it's all about appreciation and helping. Today we are at this station and we're packing out toilet paper, we're packing toothpaste, sanitizer, vape, and lotion to those in need across the island.
Island Jamaica is going through a tough time right now. Hurricane Melissa has caused a lot of damage. People are misplaced, people are hurt, people are without any help right now. So I'm asking all of my fans from your heart to give anything you can, no matter how small, it always will go towards helping people in dire need. I've teamed up with Food for the Poor Jamaica to help give some relief to the people who need it the most right now. I myself, I'm going to match everything up to $50,000 US that you give. So together we can help to make a difference and help to give to the people right now who need it. Food for the Poor Jamaica and I have teamed up before and helped out many families in need, and I'm just asking from your heart if you can give to the country who has given you so much for your entertainment and just a peaceful place to come to relax. We need help right now, so I'm asking you all to give. As I said, I'm matching up to 50 grand US. This will help a lot of families feel relief right now. Give from your heart, give for Jamaica. One love, one family, yeah? Enough love to my peeps. I give thanks.
This is Vibes Cartel, and I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Wow. It was very important to me, not just as Vibes Cartel, it's like a citizen of Jamaica, and a Jamaican who patriotic like most of us are. I was in America watching everything, and it brought tears to my heart. I said, TJ, that need to come to Jamaica, represent the people. Spend some money and make the people them.
Yeah, man. Yeah. No, don't put that away.
Clean.
Nelson,
This is the foundation. And this is what you're doing here. Keep working. Yeah. Oh, you know.
Yeah.
You know the business said, right? Mm-hmm. Shop on site. See it? Ready now. It's a Palmer Foundation giving back to Jamaica. Yes, sir. And this is how Mr. Palmer do it.
Yeah, let me show you around. Come on in. Okay. So this is day number 5 here. We started with just empty. We have pallets of chicken coming in. They're preparing the chicken over there, and then they'll bring it over to the chefs. This is our sandwich line. So we're just trying to get as much food out. there. Brother, show support. The brother them there. The brother them there, show support. That's all about things. I just love and support when the people them out. Just hold a vibe. You might run, wait till them sometimes touch the mic and the boss said no video. He said no video, but me have a video. Because me have to show me my love and my respect and my thank you for everybody. This is the second delivery from morning. Right? Mackerel. He drop off the rice already and he carry the mackerel. And when you drink the mackerel, we have the water over there that him drop off the water. I wasn't here when he drop off the water, but I'm here when he drop off. Right there, mackerel. People, that's why you have to have brothers and you have to have friends and you have to have people that step up in a time like this. See it here? All of this was delivered by Lalo and Donia again. Look at it. Look at all of this. All of these are packages for kids. Jade, can you come and open this for me, please? All of these packages are donated by Lalo and Donia. Team Fort Jenna. See it there? The man them say, yo, take care of the pit of them. Snack for days. And Donia say, Ramesh, I want to give them bag where them can utilize and keep. See it there? That is it. Big up my brother them. Always. Yo, big up to the artists them when I push out. Also, apart from this, the boss send this. Over 200,000. Lord God. Lock it up, lock it up, lock it up. I don't want them to know. The G show me and say, Ramesh, me see all you. They are Chilani yesterday. I cut tree. But here what? The star where you have, see the real star here. The man say, yo, find the baddest star and the best star. And look here, a problem. St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Clarendon, Mandeville. On soon see it. Don't worry. See the big star here? The big Jenna. You can see, I set up a little section, make it feel like a little event. Play a little music low, give some food, care package giving over there, and we have some juice here. We do a thing different. I make the people them feel back nice and humane and not feel the whole like stress and the problems. You understand? Let's get back in the mindset where we still have to live.
They are work from man, chop on the trees. Right now we are clear all our debris so the road can clear so people can drive and get in. So right now, this is the Shuberry district. They are Catawood. Yeah, Catawood. What's the chapter? We know why we just want the people to do this. We're not only doing this, we're doing
foundation outside. Come to give back to the community and to Jamaica and to show love and support.
From 76 we sign up in the capital. From White House straight back to Buckingham Palace. This bus that we never say it would have come to this. Would not have an independent thought to remain the music. For the next we have generator, we just have 2 of them thing and we have gas and thing and top producer, big people, big up yourself, Russian. You're king in our earth, youth.
We need help. Not one man can do it, not two. Everybody have to do it together. All the politicians, them, all the artists, them, all the money man, them, everybody, all the influencers, everybody have to come together as one. Jamaica need it together. It's not a want, we need it. As you can see, we try and help who we can help today, but there's tomorrow and the day after. This thing, we're going to need a joint effort of help.
We are grateful for this in Eastern Westmoreland. You has been a great impact on Jamaica, musically, internationally, everywhere. And we appreciate you for coming here.
Pick up yourself, man. Don't worry yourself, bro.
Yo, hold this. Pick up the ear.
See music we are beat and we can't play that now. So we got to come through because say we support all of the try help you. And until they don't go get support and tomorrow, the rest of the life we are going to hold together. So anytime we up again, phone the music everywhere play.
The hurricane can shake us, but it can't break us. Jamaicans will always find joy, even in the hardest times.
But me know say that a cap, them never do a cyber, them never do a hack, them never chop a wire, never chop a money pack. The money them a hype, we know say that a problem.
God never feel I hate, so I fret. I am a gun, my step out when me eye shut. All negativity my sidestep, all by it. Glad to me wake this morning. Father, my begin.
Oh my God! Oh God! What's easy? There's Jesus Christ! Rebel! Oh my God! This is crazy.
I said, love, let Jah rise and let all his enemies scatter. Yeah, the whole ground are our ground. So water for the whole place, you understand me? And we not stop till the people them have enough water, you understand me? Yeah, and other supply. One blood family, represent for life.
Oh, smash up river gun with the car. All over. Yeah. After a storm is a calm. Oh, smash up river gun with the car. Lightning and the thunder like off. The whole country living like that. Santa Cruz, non-cruise, none at all.
No time.
Black River turn brown after all. A man made the record make it storm. Life better than vanity me die. So give thanks say you have life. And give thanks say you have Christ. No family a ball and I ask God why. Oh, smash up river gun.
And as usual, thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts, your views, and your opinion. Be safe out there. On your way out, leave a small like, a small subscribe. I'm out.